we've developed a new technology that promises to fundamentally improve society's relationship with language. Language is a technology. It's a mode of transport for ideas. We have an idea, we package it into language, and we send it to people. Our audiences apply their understanding of the same language to rebuild our concepts in their own minds. Often, the value of what we say is lost in transit as a result of ineffective language use. Now, today's technology is limited. It only really spell checks what's on the page. At Fluence, we believe in looking deeper. We believe in understanding what is being communicated to the audience. We all understand how a doctor should adapt their language depending on if they're talking to a worried patient or a fellow professional. Well, at Fluence, we're developing a technology that makes all of those communication breakdowns go away. We make sure that language is compatible with any audience, and we ensure that audiences can interact effectively with any content. We have combined big data, machine learning, and linguistics to quantify the differences between language that succeeds and language that fails based on what audiences buy, what they understand, and what they value. We digest what those differences in language mean in different settings. A major step change in the technology is that it does not prescribe what great communication looks like. It merely responds to what works best, whether you're managing an international team in Singapore, whether you're closing the language gap between doctor and patient, or whether you're improving the impact or accessibility of educational content. We have already proven the value of this technology with the Communicate project, where we have successfully isolated the language that forms the vast majority of daily communication. And within 10 hours, we're able to give people who have major literacy problems enough access to this core language that they can start interacting independently. So we've done in 10 hours what thousands of hours in school couldn't, and all we had to do was isolate the language and target the language that they use most and avoid getting bogged down by the language that they need least. These language gaps appear everywhere, and we're now actively exploring the wider possibilities of this technology so that we can close those language gaps wherever they appear across all aspects of society. Find out more about how we are accelerating learning, promoting smarter content production, and fundamentally improving society's relationship with language.